you watch this video till end, I don't think you need any other video for making your winning UGC. The formula that we have created, we are so confident on that because we have created and we have tested it for multiple different niches, multiple different clients, and it worked 100%. Not 95%, not 90%, it worked 100%. This is the foolproof formula, and this is the reason we are so confident about that. So whether you are creating your ad with AI, you are working with an influencer, you are working with an UGC creator, the core principle, the core structure will be same. Just the character, whether it's AI character, it's a normal person, the character will be different. So here is the formula. Let's discuss. So the formula, it's basically looks a bit messy, but let me discuss. And it's a super easy and it's a super. What is the old method of creating this video? First, we send the product to influencers. The influencer create the video, send back to us. We do the post-production and start running ad. Later, we found the video didn't work. So what you will do? You need to hire another UGC creator or another influencer and send him the script, send him the product, and you need to create the video again. But again, you don't know the video will work or not. So this is the kind of loop where you don't know. You are, throwing stone in the mud. You don't know where it will hit. So it is the formula that we have created. So first step is new method. So the learn is the thing that is most important of your entire campaign. Basically, it's a customer research, you can say. So who is buying your product, why they are buying your product, what they love about your product, what they don't love about the product, how they consume the product, what problem the product solves. So all of this information, you need to be creative and you need to find your customers. Who is your ideal customers? A lot of these things you can find from Amazon. If I say, like, there are multiple different things. For example, Twitter, LinkedIn discussions, and Amazon, Facebook groups. If you go to Amazon and if you search by 1-star rating, so there you will find all the pain points the customers are facing about the product. So if you keep those pain points and if you create ad around those pain points, so you can start getting result. And this is the thing that it say. And second thing is the create foundational asset. Third thing is test targeting framework, media buying, create the best elements, and winning and skill. The entire video that I will talk about today, so it's about the create foundational asset. So asset library is basically collection of your videos, footages, all the materials, marketing materials that you have, okay, in one place, and you need to assemble it in a way that it can bring you the result. So you shoot different hooks, hook 1, hook 2, hook 3, hook 4 with one influencer and without a script, not sending just one script, you just send him. And how you can send them the directions, I will show you later. So hook 1, hook 2, hook 3, hook 4. So the same person shoot all of these different hooks because you don't know which will work. The same person, demo 3, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4, feature 5, benefit 1, benefit 2, benefit 3, 4, 5, all of these things. Testimonials, for example, one testimonial, if you are sending a product, one testimonial is in office background, one testimonial is in home background, one testimonial with their baby if it's a baby product, one testimonial with if it's a pet product, one testimonial with their pet. Call to action 1, 2, 3, all of this. These are the footages that you needed for creating an asset. So what next? When you create the footages, then these footages are like a Lego block. If you create a combination of Lego block of 6, if one is not working, for example, number 4 is not working, you just replace the number 4, not the entire thing, and you introduce another Lego block in place of that. So what I'm saying that, so here is the formula that has been working for different brands and different targeting and all of this. So these are the 3 formula that is working most of the time. So first is demo, intro, feature, benefit. For example, hook and call to action is constant. Demo, intro, feature, benefit. Again, you repeat. Then benefit, validation, testimonial. Hook and call to action is fixed. Benefit, validation, testimonial. The third is pain against solutions. Among all of these, the pain against solution work the most. If again it's depend on the product, what kind of product you are selling. So hook is same, call to action is same. Then problem, failed solution. For example, it's a pain relief balm. So problem the person is facing. The failed solution, he have tried different creams and different acupuncture therapy and all of this, and the feature of the product and solution of the product. So these are a package. So all of this works. So we go one step further and we'll call it unlock scalability. So we arrange the footage in such a way that we arrange the footages in such way it are bound to deliver you the result. For example, in this formula, we found hook 2 is working better. So we keep the hook 2 only, not the another hooks. And if we found the call to action 2 or call to action 3 is working better, we keep only the call to action 2 or 3. So here in this case, call to action 2 is working better, so we keep the call to action 2, and in between we do some experiment, okay, with different products and with different intro, with different failed solution. For example, failed solution, it's working best time. I already told you, because people are using the product, and if you discuss one failed solution, they're more attracted to buy your product and they're more engaged in that kind of ads. So failed solution 3, feature 2, solution 2, call to action 2. And if you need to experiment with all of this, it looked a bit complicated, but this entire campaign, this entire thing can be done within $400, with $500. You can test the entire thing, which is working and which is not. For example, after creating these different ads and you found this viral variety. So for example, this hook 2 is working better, call to action 2 is working better, problem 3, solution 4, failed feature, and solution 3, it's a failed solution 4. So among this entire thing, all of this like hook 2 and problem 3, solution, failed solution 3 is working better. So you just keep this thing, and this is your viral variety. For the second time, when you create an ad, you don't need to do the entire thing again. You just need to create the viral variety. For example, till now you are working with one influencer, then again you need to hire another influencer, and here you don't need to do an experiment because you already found your viral variety and it's a tried and tested by you, and it's a data driven. So you just multiply the thing many times and you can start getting better results. So the entire thing can work, and the entire thing can work only because if you have a good product, and if you have your customers loving the product, and if you have high profit margins. Because the profit margins depend on what kind of business model you are following. If you are drop shipping, the profit margins are a bit different. If you have supply chain management, the manufacturing is in your hand or in your control, or somehow you can control it. So the profit margin really depend on that. So the system that I have discussed with you, it worked 100%. You can implement by yourself if you have the resources, if you have the person who can create AI videos for you, or you can hire an UGC creators and you give them the direction. And how you can give them direction, I will show you. This is the website called makestoryboard.com, and you see all of the direction, all of these things, what need to shoot, what angle to choose, and what is the voiceover to say at this point of time. You give all of this direction, and the influencer just follow your direction and create footages based on that. And this is how you create your viral variety. So this is the video.
Coffee lovers need to try this. So I've been on the hunt for the perfect coffee, and well, I found it with Excel. Now it's probably the most delicious homebrew coffee I have ever tried, and it is just as good for my body too. Their coffee is not only organically farmed, but has been lab tested 9 times to ensure it's free from all of the bad stuff and high in all of these healthy compounds. So not only does my morning coffee taste good, it's also doing me good. They're offering a free trial right now where you can get 150 grams of coffee. All you've got to do is pay £1.80 for delivery. So if you're looking to switch up your coffee, check out Excel's free trial on the link below.
If you need any help, the link of our website is in bio. You can book a call. I will be in the call, and let's discuss what we can bring to for your brand.